In this video, the audio comes exclusively from the GoPro, alternating between the GoPro Hero 10 and the GoPro Hero 9. Can you hear a clear difference in these first shots? As you may have noticed, I always make sure to have good audio quality in my videos. Sound is at least as important for a good video as image quality. And of course, a high quality recording of the voice is the most important thing. Apart from recording the voice, we will also listen to various sounds and noises today. It would be ideal if you use headphones to better identify possible differences. And in case you are new here, my name is Werner, and on this channel you will find tests and tutorials on GoPro, iPhone and other consumer cameras. For current prices and offers for the GoPro Hero 10, I have put some links in the video description. Basically, you can also connect an external microphone to the GoPro. But for this, you need the media mod, which you have to buy separately. Before we go out today and listen to some recordings outdoors, I would like to make a test of the self-noise of the microphones. I then increase the loudness level. The Hero 9 often caused problems here and produced strange noises. With a GoPro, the audio quality of the voice outdoors is actually much more important than the audio quality indoors. I think we will all use the GoPro mostly outdoors. The sound of the voice outdoors can be quite different from the sound in an office. Now let's listen to a few more sounds. Finally, I'm going to test how the GoPro handles wind noise. So I think that's enough for now, because as you could hear, there are differences in audio quality, but the differences are not particularly pronounced. With the voice, I have the impression that the Hero 9 has a bit more bass, but it also produces a bit more reverb here in the office. The self-noise of the Hero 10, on the other hand, sounds darker and is a little less noticeable. With the various sounds, the Hero 9 sounds a little thinner and also a little brighter, but this all seems very subjective to me. I am almost convinced that GoPro uses the same microphones for the Hero 10. In my opinion, the differences are only noticeable in a direct comparison. But you might see it differently. Can you hear a clear difference? Write me your opinion in the comments and give me a like as feedback if the video was interesting for you. And see you next time.